Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everybody's doing okay. So today we'll be working still on pronouns. You remember pronouns? The last time when we talked about pronouns, we had mentioned a pronoun replaces like the name of a person, a place, or a thing. And so we told y'all that pronouns has 5 categories. And so we have to look for some exercises. So on the board we have 2 types of exercises. The first part of exercise on pronouns is to be able to identify where you can find the pronouns in the sentences. Okay, so you're going to work with me to identify which ones are personal, which one is possessive, which one is a adjective. So we're going to find them, we're going to look for them together, and then we underline the right ones. Okay, and so number 1 is he is much better than before. So where do we get the pronoun? He is much better than before. He would be the right answer. That is a pronoun, he. He could replace Paul, could replace Isaiah, could replace William, could replace, Charles, whatever it is. Emma told me a secret. Where is the pronoun in Emma? Told me a secret. Me as a pronoun here. Emma will be the noun. Okay? She was in the back of the van. Who was in the back of the van? She was in the back of the van. Ron says that he is happy. So, who is happy? Ron is the noun and he is the pronoun. It is an ancient castle. Remember, personal pronouns he, she, it. It is an ancient castle. It. Tina met her cousin last week. So where would you find the personal pronoun or the pronoun? Tina will be the noun and her will be the pronoun. And then you have the next one. He is the team captain. Who is the team captain? He is. He replaces the name of the team captain. Okay. Then number 8, Bella gave me a pen. Bella is the noun and gave who the pen? Gave me a pen. So, me is a personal pronoun. And then you have, they said that they have homework. Who said it? Who said it? They said it. So, they is a personal pronoun. And then the last one, they were playing with your friends. Who were playing? They were playing. This is an E, okay? So they were playing with your friends. And so these are the personal pronouns. He, she, it, me, all the pronouns that you can think of that we worked on. You can see them right here, in our exercises. So moving on to the second part of our exercise, okay, which is a little bit different in the sense that in brackets you have like multiple choices, like multiple answers, and you have to pick the right pronouns to fill in the sentences. Okay, this is really a pretty good exercise because remember the first one you just had to identify, but here you have to actually pick or choose the right answers and put them in the empty slots. So let's start with number 1. Dash know the girl. The girl dash name is Jane. So what would that be? What would that be? It would be I know the girl whose name is Jane. So it would be whose I. Number 2, let me help dash carry dash bags. In brackets we have you, I, this is an S, okay? This and these in plural. So let me help you carry these bags. These, because these goes with bags. These is a plural of this. If it were just a bag, you would say, let me help you carry this bag. But because there's an S as in plural, you say, let me help you carry these bags. Okay? And then number 3, Dash came to Dash house to meet me. How would that be? Dash came. Here we have they, he, my, our. So they would be, they came to my house. They came to my house because you're meeting me. So they came to my house to meet me. Of course, meet is another pronoun. We know that. Okay. So, number 4, moving on. Jimmy saw Dash stranger again in the basement. So we have this and that. Jimmy saw who again? Because it said again, you cannot use this. You have to say that. So Jimmy saw that stranger again in the basement. Number 5, Dash all are my good friends. You have we and they. So it's gonna be they all. They all are my good friends. Number 6, today is awesome. And Dash think Dash should go out for a long drive. You have I, you have we, you have we and I. So which one? Is it this group or this group? Today is awesome and I think we should go out for a drive. This group. If Dash win the tournament, then definitely Dash will get a prize. And then you have she, he, you, our, this. So what would that be? If you win the tournament, then definitely what? Definitely we'll get a prize. Definitely he or she will get a prize. If you win the tournament, then definitely he or she will get a prize. Could Dash tell me where I can find KFC in Dash City? Could you tell me where I can find a KFC in this city? So there we are. You know, on the pronouns, we use I, who's, these, that, you, they. These are different kinds of pronouns depending on the scenario, if it's a singular or it's a plural. I hope that you practice, and I hope that you continue to practice, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.